little over a month since my last video, um, but I wanted to do a more in-depth video on um, Cobinhood and the exchange there. Um, the time of my last video, there was no referral bonuses, no giveaways or anything like that. It was just a straight up exchange. Where now they've got a lot of benefits. I'll show you some of these before I log in to actually show you what my account looks like. Um, First, we'll go down through this referral bonus. Um, so all you have to do, about 3 steps: share your link, invite your friends, and it says get big rewards. The rewards are pretty cool, but stage 1, if you invite someone by sharing your link and they go ahead and sign up and make a deposit into their account so that they can trade on the exchange, you'll get a free candy machine ticket, and so will they. Once they complete level 2 verification, you'll get 10 more candy machine tickets, and they'll get 10 more candy machine tickets for a total of 11 each. And you probably wonder what a candy machine ticket is. So let me show you that. Under the free tokens, go to the candy machine. It's just like a slot machine. Go down here, and if you're logged in and you have, it'll tell you right here in the login box how many spins you have, basically. You'll hit the button and it'll come up across here, whatever. You actually have a chance for each one of those. It's a chance to win a free Bitcoin. But every spin gives you at least one free coin of one of the cryptocurrencies on the exchange. So that's one of the perks. Then they have the airdrop center that has some other free chances to get tokens. And see if we can go down through it here a little bit. Has missions to get free tokens. With every trade you make, you get a free candy machine token. Well, one per day. There's also all kinds of stuff here for you to check out. Different coins that are soon to be offered on Cobinhood. And then they have trading contests for different tokens. Haven't done any of those yet, but I have done the candy machine a few times. So let me log in, and I'll show you what this looks like. Okay. So go to the exchange, and I'm logged in. As you can see, I've got 896 Tron tokens, TRX. Those are ones that I've actually bought. The 3 ENJ tokens, the 1 COB, which is Cobinhood's personal token, and the 1 BDG token. I think that's all I have. Okay, so those are the ones that I've got by the candy machine, by the spinning on the candy machine. See, this is what it looks like if you are logged in. See if I have any. I don't think I have any. No, I don't have any tickets right now to show you. But basically, you can do all kinds of stuff. You can get, a chance at winning a Bitcoin if by signing up and depositing a little bit in order to play around some. As you can see right now, my account's only $37.63 US dollars value right now. So that shows you how small the value is of these coins that I'm trading. But it makes for a lot of fun and a chance at astronomical growth if some of these go where we think they could. So all I'll ask is that hopefully that you like the video. Click like, share, and it would be lovely if you would share this link. I will share it in the video, but please sign up, take the referral code, get yourself a free token and me a free token. It would be great. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed the content. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.